Hey, Dr. Lab fam! Ever felt that strange tingling, burning, or even a sharp shooting pain that just doesn't seem to have a clear cause? It might be your nerves sending out an SOS. Your nervous system is the ultimate communication network in your body, and keeping it healthy is absolutely vital for everything you do. The incredible news? What you put on your plate can be a powerful ally in supporting and even repairing your precious nerves. Today, we're diving into 10 incredible foods that can help mend and protect your nervous system. Get ready to nourish your nerves back to their best. Let's start by understanding what we're up against. Neuropathy, or nerve damage, occurs when the nerves in your body become injured, dysfunctional, or simply aren't working as they should. Think of nerves as tiny, intricate electrical wires transmitting vital messages between every part of your body and your brain. They're responsible for everything from letting you feel a gentle touch to commanding your muscles to move and even controlling automatic functions like your heartbeat. When these delicate nerves are compromised, they can cause a wide range of challenging symptoms and health problems. Common signs of nerve damage include numbness or tingling, that pins and needles sensation or complete loss of feeling, sharp, stabbing, burning, or aching pain, often described as electric shocks or intense discomfort. Weakness, difficulty moving certain muscles or feeling a loss of strength. Overly sensitive to touch or temperature changes. Even a light breeze or a cool sheet can feel excruciating. Loss of coordination, difficulty with balance or precise movements. The critical role of diet in nerve repair. You might be surprised just how impactful your daily diet can be when it comes to nerve health. A well-balanced, nutrient-rich eating plan isn't just about general wellness. It actively helps to prevent nerve injury and can significantly promote nerve recovery. Here's how your plate plays a starring role. Nerves are hungry for specific nutrients. A smart diet delivers essential B vitamins like B1, B2, B6, B12, and folate, along with vitamin E, vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and powerful antioxidants. These are the building blocks and protectors involved in everything from nerve cell structure and energy production to safeguarding against damaging oxidative stress. Our bodies are constantly battling oxidative stress, which occurs when harmful free radicals damage cells. This process can significantly worsen nerve damage and contribute to neurodegenerative diseases. The good news is that antioxidants found abundantly in fruits, vegetables, and even spices like turmeric act like tiny shields, helping to protect your delicate nerves from this damage. This is particularly crucial. A diet high in simple sugars and refined carbohydrates can lead to wild swings in your blood sugar. These unstable levels are a major risk factor for nerve damage, especially for those managing diabetes. A balanced diet, rich in complex carbohydrates, fiber, and healthy fats, helps to keep your blood sugar steady and your nerves safe. Chronic inflammation in the body has been strongly linked to nerve damage and persistent neuropathic pain. By focusing on foods high in omega-3 fatty acids and incorporating anti-inflammatory spices, you can actively help calm this internal fire, creating a more healing environment for your nerves. 10 incredible foods to help repair your nerves. Ready to empower your nervous system through delicious food? These 10 incredible choices are packed with the nutrients your nerves crave, helping to strengthen and restore your body's vital communication network. Leafy greens. Green leafy vegetables are truly powerhouse foods for nerve health. They're brimming with folate, a crucial B vitamin that is absolutely essential for nerve cell growth, maintenance, and repair, as it's involved in DNA and RNA synthesis. Beyond that, the abundant phytonutrients and antioxidants in leafy greens possess potent anti-inflammatory properties. This helps to reduce inflammation throughout your nervous system, potentially easing nerve-related discomfort. What to include? Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and broccoli are all fantastic choices. Avocado, the healthy fat protector. Avocados are a creamy, delicious source of vital nutrients for your nerves. They're high in monounsaturated fats, which are key for maintaining the integrity of nerve cell membranes. those protective outer layers that keep nerve cells healthy. Avocados also offer a good dose of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that shields nerve cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, those highly reactive molecules that can harm your cells and DNA. Salmon and fatty fish, omega-3. Superstars. When it comes to nerve health, salmon and other fatty fish are absolute champions. They are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, and EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid. DHA in particular plays a crucial structural role in nerve cell membranes, making them more fluid and flexible, which is vital for efficient electrical signal transmission along nerve fibers. Furthermore, the strong anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s help to reduce inflammation, creating a protective and supportive environment for optimal nerve function. Nuts and seeds, nutrient-packed powerhouses. Don't underestimate these tiny nutritional giants. Nuts and seeds are brimming with a variety of beneficial compounds. They contain an array of antioxidants which protect nerve cells. Many nuts, especially almonds and peanuts, are rich in B vitamins like B6 and folate, both essential for normal nerve activity and healing. Moreover, nuts and seeds are excellent sources of magnesium, a mineral crucial for proper nerve transmission and muscle contraction. A magnesium deficiency can even manifest as nerve-related symptoms like muscle cramps and tingling. Citrus fruits, vitamin C for nerve shielding. When you think of nerve repair foods, don't overlook vibrant citrus fruits. They are renowned for their high concentration of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that actively helps to protect nerve cells from damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals. This vitamin also plays a role in maintaining the strength of nerve cell membranes and overall nerve health. Beyond its antioxidant role, vitamin C is vital for the formation of collagen, a key structural protein found in connective tissues, including those that support nerve cells. Collagen provides strength and elasticity, assisting in nerve regeneration and repair. Fruits to include oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are fantastic choices. Lean proteins, the building blocks of repair. Lean proteins are absolutely non-negotiable for nerve regeneration and the overall health of your nervous system. They supply the vital amino acids your body needs to create and maintain nerve cells. Specific amino acids like arginine, lysine, and methionine are essential for producing the diverse proteins found within nerve cells. Adequate protein intake directly supports your body's ability to repair and rebuild damaged nerve tissue. What to include? Chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef are excellent sources. Legumes, plant-powered. Nerve support. Legumes are true unsung heroes for nerve repair and overall nervous system function. They are incredibly rich in B vitamins, particularly B6, B12, and folate, all of which are essential for normal nerve activity and healing. Folate, for example, is critical for DNA and RNA synthesis, which are fundamental processes for nerve cell growth and maintenance. As an outstanding plant-based protein source, legumes also supply the building blocks your body needs to repair and regenerate nerve tissue. Plus, the complex carbohydrates in legumes offer sustained energy and help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is particularly vital for diabetics, as fluctuating blood sugar can worsen nerve complications. What to include? Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are versatile and nutritious options. Lean dairy products, calcium and B12 boost. Due to their impressive nutrient profile, low-fat dairy products can be excellent for nerve repair. They are high in calcium, a mineral crucial for proper nerve impulse transmission and overall nervous system health. Dairy products also pack a punch of phosphorus, which works with calcium to support healthy neuron function and aids in creating and maintaining robust nerve cell membranes. Importantly, dairy also provides vitamin B12, an essential ingredient for nerve function and repair. B12 is needed to form myelin, the protective sheath that insulates nerve fibers. A B12 deficiency can lead to nerve injury and impaired nerve signaling. What to include? Milk, cheese, and yogurt are great choices. Ginger, the anti-inflammatory root. This aromatic spice, ginger, contains powerful bioactive compounds like gingerol, which boast significant anti-inflammatory effects. Since inflammation can both cause and worsen nerve injury in conditions like neuropathy, incorporating ginger can help reduce this inflammation, creating a more favorable environment for nerve repair. Many people with nerve damage or neuropathic pain find that ginger helps alleviate discomfort due to its natural anti-inflammatory properties. Furthermore, ginger contains antioxidants that protect nerve cells from oxidative damage, minimizing the potential harm caused by free radicals. Sweet potato, B6, and stable blood sugar. Sweet potatoes are a delicious and nutrient-dense choice for nerve health, primarily due to their high content of vitamin B6. This water-soluble vitamin is absolutely essential for nerve function because it helps in the production of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells. Adequate B6 is fundamental for a properly functioning neurological system. Additionally, sweet potatoes have a relatively low glycemic index and are rich in fiber and complex carbohydrates. This means they release sugar into the bloodstream gradually, preventing damaging blood sugar spikes and crashes, which are critical for protecting nerves over time. There you have it, Health Protocol Community. A powerful pantry full of foods that can actively work to repair and protect your precious nervous system. Remember, integrating these nourishing choices into your daily diet is a vital step in supporting nerve healing and overall well-being. While nutrition is incredibly powerful, it's important to understand that for severe nerve damage or complex neuropathic conditions, it's one piece of a larger puzzle. Always consult with your healthcare professional for personalized advice and comprehensive treatment strategies. What's one food from this list you're excited to add to your plate this week? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if this video brought you valuable insights, please hit that like button, subscribe to Health Protocol, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next essential guide to optimizing your health. Here's to a healthier, happier you.